Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Ngayon po, tingnan natin kung ano yung palatandaan ng kinabukasan para sa iyo at sa person mo. Girl talk. Time with friends, moving on, happily single, living in the moment, having fun. Oh, wow. Okay, Virgo. Parang ikaw nga ito. Well, yung mga ibang Virgo na kilala ko po kasi is mostly like this. Well, in a way, may mga relationship sila, but somehow, they end up to be living by themselves, being happily single, mas may time sa kaibigan. Ngayon, kasi walang walang ka-relationship. So, kung ba, walang naghihigpit, walang kailangang hinga ng ang tawag mo doon, yung permiso para makaalis, makagimik, makapunta dito, di ba? Walang humaharang. In other words, nobody is controlling you. It's the other way around. You are controlling yourself, your destiny. Diba? Which is what you love. No, Virgo? Kasi ito is really saying na you're moving on. No? Moving on. Tapos na ako dyan sa having a relationship or married or being involved. I'm moving on from that phase ng aking buhay. Maybe because it didn't work. Nakita mo na it's not really for you. The timing is off. You have more important things in your mind rather than this relationship. No? Maraming bagay, Virgo. I mean, knowing you, mas mahal mo pa yata yung trabaho mo kaysa sa tong relationship eh. Hindi naman ko kayo ginajudge, but I think you're just really giving yourself that opportunity to enjoy life. Kasi you know you deserve it. You know your worth. No? Alam mo yung halaga mo ng buhay mo. Alam mo kung gaano ka kasipag at kung paano mo pinangangalagaan ang iyong sarili, no? Ang iyong career, ang iyong pera. Paano pinangangalagaan ang iyong pamilya. No? So, lahat naman ng sinabi ko, you deserve all of that. Na talagang dapat lang. Okay, which is, I'm happy for you kasi this is really what is kung ba yung palatandaan, no? It is a sign telling you that if in case you are in a relationship now, there is this possibility that you will be single later on. Okay? And happily single, I have to mention happily kasi it says here, no? Happily single. Masaya ka na nag-iisa. See how confident you are, di ba? Tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano pa yung message. nag-flip? Yung nag-flip is the Three of Pentacles. We have the Hermit, your energy, the Four of Cups, the Ten of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles, which is you. There you go. Bottom is the Four of Wands. Okay, Virgo. So, ang start natin is the Three of Pentacles, which is, this is all about being in harmony with your person. Okay? You're doing your best to be in harmony with your person. Ginagawa mo lahat to cooperate, to make sure things are, kung gaba parang nagja-jive sa lahat. Kasi kung if you'll take this na something to do like sa trabaho, di ba? Meron tayong team na tinatawag, di ba? The only way for that team to work, or that group or that department to work, is if you all work together. Di ba? Nagtutulungan kayo. Lahat kung gabain, nagsisynchronize yung galaw ng bawat isa to make that perfect movement, no, sa inyong work. Kasi kung walang ganon, kita mo naman magiging magulo, chaotic yung nyo, yung department, yung grupo, yung team. Wala talaga kayong ma-achieve, no? You all understand that, Virgo, pagdating sa trabaho, no? The same thing with relationship. Kung hindi kayo mag-work together, walang mangyayari. Diba? Sira ang relationship. Kasi kung magkakanya-kanya kayo, edi, bakit pa kayo naging kayong dalawa? Magkakanya-kanya rin pala kayo. Diba? Kaya, ikaw, no? I told you, this is your energy, the Hermit. Nag-iisip ka talaga. You're thinking long and hard, trying to get that wisdom na what is the best thing to do. Kasi hindi naman ikaw yung tao na basta na lang mag-give up eh. Wala sa ugali mo yun eh. You really try your best first. Kung gaba kinukonsume mo muna lahat ng possible solutions bago ka talagang magkaroon ng isang final decision. And somehow, I think, along the way, itong relationship, maybe somebody did offer to you a new love, something along the way na merong nag-offer ng new love. But you are having second thoughts about it. You are really thinking, sasagutin ko ba to? Kukunin ko ba to? Papatulan ko ba to? Mamahalin ko ba to? Siseryosohin ko ba to? Yun yung mga tanong eh. Kaya, tignan mo dito. Hindi ba tinititigan niya yung kupita? As if ina-analyze niya mabuti kung anong merong maibibigay nito sa'yo. Diba? You are really thinking long and hard about this offer of love. Kasi nga, naging experience mo na, o talagang, it's a common knowledge, no? Kung hindi kayo mag-work together, wala talaga eh. It doesn't really work. The relationship, whatever relationship that would be. Mapa-work man to, mapa-friendship man to, intimate love man to, romantic love, kahit sa parents, sa siblings, sa teacher, sa boss, whatever, no? Kung hindi kayo mag-work together, wala eh. Wala talaga mangyayari. Maybe that is one thing, no, na tinitignan mo dito. No? Asking yourself, mag-work together kaya kami. Would our personalities jive? Siyempre kasi hindi mo masasagot ka agad yan ng kumpleto. It takes years and years. Sometimes nga, kahit na magkasama na kayo ng matagal na panahon, hindi mo pa rin totally kilala yung tao. Diba? It is really a matter of, parang, sige, I will just take the risk. Kung gaba magbabakasakali ako, I will take that leap of faith. Kung ano man kalabasan itong relationship na to. But I think you felt that this is just a burden for you, no? Magiging pabigat lang ito sa iyo kung siseryosohin mo tong pag-ibig na to. You didn't see it na magiging advantage sa iyo. Kaya I think you just drop it off, no? Parang wala lang, mo na, disregard mo na to. Itong offer of love na to. And just concentrated to be you, which is the Queen of Pentacles. You know, what do you do best? Ano bang pinakamagaling na ginagawa ni Virgo? Is of course to work. Be productive, to earn money. No? And why do you earn so much money? Because you want to be happy and enjoy life. You want to make sure na pagtanda mo, you have all the resources you need. Lahat ng kailangan mo, lahat ng gusto mo na gawa mo, meron ka. Hindi ka mag-aalala. That is why you are doing that. Okay? Hindi naman masama I'm not saying it is bad. It is you. Energy mo to, Virgo. And I think you're just really, kung gaba parang, sabi ko, you know your worth. Alam mo yung halaga ng pagkatao mo Alam mo kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo. Kasi hindi mo basta-basta ibabaksak yan No? The 10 of Wands, hindi mo talaga sasabihin no, ayoko nito. I don't want this. Ang ino-offer na dito, totoong pagmamahal. Look at that cup. Ang laki, di ba? Compare mo dito sa maliliit na palpak. This is true love. And yet, Virgo, you said, no, thank you. This is too much. I would rather be focused on myself, focus on my work, focus on my money, so I will be happy later. Okay? Ganun siya. Okay? Okay lang yan. If that's what you wanted, wala naman nagsasabi na nobody's judging you na mali yung ginawa mo. It is what you wanted, so fine. So let us see kung ano pa yung advice sa'yo. Sabi dito, you're mine. I get so pissed knowing other people can have you now. Is it toxic? Yeah, IDC. I want the world to know you're mine. I think yung dito, yung siya nag-o-offer ng love, wanted you so much na talagang, gusto ka niya. Siguro ikaw talaga yung tao na, hindi kita ganun kagusto. Yun ang katotohanan. Okay? That's the truth. Hindi kita ganun kagusto. Kaya, madali lang para sa'yo na i-give up. No? Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung nagsabi dito, itong offer na to is true love. That's why this person is saying, I want you to be mine. Ito yung advice for Virgo. It says your spring. Your desires fully manifest as the flower begins to bloom. Maybe there's something to do with springtime, no? Virgo, na kasi nga, you're an earth sign, so you value life. You value yung pagkaroon ng pagbuka ng bulaklak, pagkaroon ng mga prutas, things like that. Something that you can harvest yung ano na yon, yung product na yon o yung produce. So maybe the springtime is really very significant to you kasi ito yung mga panahon na talagang nakikita mong lumalago lahat, no? Everything seems to be growing, which is what you love. Okay? So, si Virgo ba matagal magiging single? Matagal ba siya magiging single? It says here yes. And I want to show you guys. This is the Four of Cups. This is the Four of Cups. Nakita mo yung sabi ko sa iyo, yung kupita na yan? Diba ang laki? Offeran ka. Kasi you're a very nice person, Virgo. I mean, that's the truth of the matter. Hindi mahirap mahalin ang isang Virgo. May mga mag-o-offer sa'yo ng pagmamahal. But, hindi mo papansinin. Diba? Hindi mo papansinin. Diba ang tanong ko is magtatagal ka bang single? Dito, oo. Oo talaga. No? Mai-inlove pa ba ulit si Virgo? Mai-inlove pa ba ulit si Virgo? Yes. It says here, it's a new love. May in love ka rin. Mangyayari na ba to agad? Yung maybe you should ask yung kailan. Kasi kung may in love siya ulit. Kailan may in love ulit si Virgo? Oh, it says here, more patience is required. So, yung hindi agad, no? I think it would take a while for Virgo to fall in love again. No? Yeah, kasi I wasn't able to tell you about the end card, no? This is the Four of Wands. So, yung Four of Wands is all about preparation for marriage. This is about a proposal, receiving a proposal sa future. So maybe, di ba sabi ko nga, maybe na magkakaroon din siya ng new love, pero it will take a while. Kasi nga sa kanya, ngayon, enjoy pa siya pagiging single eh. Kasi nga, kung gaba parang inaano niya sinasamantala ni Virgo yung pagkakataon na walang kumokontrol sa kanya, nai-enjoy niya yung kanyang career, nai-enjoy niya yung pag-angat ng kanyang profession, pag-earn ng maraming pera, pagta-travel, no? Lahat ng gusto niyang gawin, nagagawa niya nang walang nagsasabi o nagpipigil para hindi niya magawa. Okay? So, ito yung opportunity na kung gagrab niya talaga ito kasi advantage to sa kanya. Now, yung love part, dadating yun ulit kapag ready na siya. Okay? That's the thing I feel about this reading. Magiging ready rin siya eventually, but you have to be very patient with Virgo. Okay? Siya yung magpapaalam or Virgo will let you know when he or she is ready for a relationship. Okay? So, kung kanino mang Virgo ito na nakuha natin sa pagbasa na to, sana nakatulong ito ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.